Tired of seeing your meme coins flop? No buys, no hype, only regrets. But then you look around and see these other guys pulling off insane gains, making thousands in minutes. Guess what? It's not luck, it's a system. And today, I'm gonna show you how you can do the exact same thing over and over again. I just made $750 in 5 minutes, and that's just the start. This isn't a one-time deal. This is something you can repeat again and again. Alright, step 1. Subscription. I'm grabbing the weekly plan for 1 sol. If you're serious about this game, there's a monthly option for 3.5 sol or a lifetime deal for 15 sol. Let's keep it simple for now and go with the week. Easy setup, fast returns. Now, we need wallets. First, a dev wallet for creating our coin. Then, a fund wallet to manage a sol. And finally, 16 buy wallets to load up on our own coin. Simple, right? You can also save your keys anytime, which is super important when you're running multiple wallets. But don't worry, we've built this process to be as smooth as possible. The bot takes care of most of it. Now, we're gonna load up the wallets. First, we send sol to the fund wallet. This is where all the sol will get distributed from. Then we top up the dev wallet, which we'll use to create and control the coin. By keeping these wallets separate, we make sure there's no link between them on the blockchain. This keeps everything clean, secure, and untraceable. Next, the bot takes care of distributing sol to all 16 buy wallets. It's fully automated, no manual transfers, no mistakes. You just tell it how much, and it splits the sol. If you ever want to adjust the amounts, just hit update, the bot will redistribute instantly. Now, let's set up the hype. We're gonna preload some comments that will hit the coins page right after launch. The more activity people see, the more likely they are to buy in. It's all about perception, and trust me, this works. I've seen it boost engagement and drive organic buyers every time. Here's where the magic happens. We're creating our coin. We'll call it Baby Oil. Ticker, oil. Nice meme of this time. And of course, we're adding this legendary pic right here. Description? Sorry I'm late to the party, P. Diddy. Now let's mint it and buy up our own supply using the buy wallets we just set up. We are live. Now watch as the buyers come in, the comments start flying, and the chart shoots up. This is where you see the results. New organic auditory is coming, and we can see new buyers are coming too. And when the time's right, we hit sell token, dumping everything from all wallets in one move. Watch the chart drop, that's your profit. Quick, clean, and efficient. $750 in 5 minutes, just like that. And here's the best part. You can do this over and over again. Withdraw the profits, rinse, and repeat. If you're serious about making real money in the memecoin game, you need a tool like this. We've built this bot to make it easy, and now it's your turn to take advantage. Click the link below to join our Telegram bot and try the test launch for free, no subscription needed.